Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. Please do subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a new video. So guys, today I'm going to be making a video of how I made this fluffy body butter. Yes, you can use it on your skin, and you can also use this body butter on your hair if you have dry scalp, if you have dried skin, if you have cracky skin. It's so moisturizing, so nourishing to the skin. So please do subscribe and like this video. Thanks guys. So guys, so these are all the ingredients I'm using to make this body butter, because I actually want this body butter to be very rich. Like, I want it to nourish the skin. I'm using two types of body butter. I'm also using liquid oil. Of course, you have to use liquid oil when making your body butter. You can choose any butter of your choice. You just need to know the skin benefit of that butter, how nourishing it is on the skin, how greasy it is on the skin. Choose any butter of your choice, guys. So I'm using just two body butter. So people can use three types of body butter, but I prefer just two types. So I also have my emollient. One thing about making a body butter, you should also add an emollient because of the moisturizing effect on the skin. And also, you don't want to make a body butter whereby after applying it on your skin is just going to feel too greasy, like you're going to be having that too much of a oily feel on your skin. No, when making a body butter, you have to choose your ingredients wisely. Yes, it is very important. Remember, body butter do not contain any form of water. All we are doing is basically oil. So choose the right oil that suits your skin. And most people do ask me if they can actually use their body butter on their face. Of course, now it depends on the kind of oils that was used to formulate the body butter. Okay, so if you are going to be applying your body butter on your face, make sure that you go through the formulator description, or the ingredient, the active ingredient, or the oils that was used in making the body butter. So you can choose any body butter that you know those oil cannot really clog the skin when used in making any skincare product. So for me, I can actually use my body butter on my face because I choose my oil wisely. I go for the lightweight oils. Even for my butters, I also go for the lightweight butters. I don't want my skin to be too heavy. I don't want my pores to be clogged. Yes, and this body butter, you can use it on your kids. It's safe to use for kids. It's also safe to use for pregnant women, because these are just plant-based oil, nothing extraordinary. So I'm using the butters, using the lightweight oils, I'm using some vitamins, and I'm also using some extract. Okay, so guys, sit back and enjoy this video, and please give this video a huge thumbs up, share with your friends, share with your family, and please do subscribe. If you have any question, you can leave your question below the comment section, and you can also join our online training. We teach you how to make skincare products from the scratch. Yes, from the scratch. And if you also want to do the promising method, we can also teach you how to make our skincare products the promising way and in a very safe way.